Hello. Today we're going to show you how to record your desktop or any window you want on your computer, as well as how to convert your cell phone into a webcam, as well as how to remove the background as you see in this video from the webcam. And lastly, we'll show you how to remove the white noise that your microphone picks up. In the video description, there is a link to the desktop recording software. Click it, it will take you to this web page. Once you're there, then select your operating system, download, and install. So this is OBS. You can see I'm using it currently to do this presentation. And here, to capture your screen, go to Sources, add a source, and you can either capture one of your windows or you can capture the entire all windows no matter where you go. And this, so you click display capture and you can see I've done that here, and this is my display capture. And moving this up will, this controls the super imposition. So now my window capture of my webcam is superimposed on the display capture, and similarly now you can see my image is superimposed at the highest layer, and now my highest layer is my webcam. Now I'm going to show you some free software to convert your cell phone into a webcam. So if you go to the link in the description, you will see this app here, Iriun. You can install it for Linux, Windows, or Mac, same as the other softwares. And it's very straightforward. Once you do that, the app will open like, Once you do that, it will be like this screen, except for it will say it cannot connect to your cell phone. So you need to then go to the App Store, or if you have, the Play Store, or if you have Apple, you can go to their store. And then you install Iriun, search the Play Store for Iriun and install it on your phone. And then simply open it and make sure that your cell phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your computer. Once you've done that, you open the desktop app on your computer and they will synchronize, and you will see a feed of the video. On the interface on the cell phone, you can switch from back and forward cameras. Okay, so at this point we could simply plug in our webcam, but instead we're going to install another free software, WebEx, which will allow us to remove the background, as you can see I've done in this video. Now first, in order to do this correctly, we need to have a green screen behind us. So we're going to make one now. Go open up Paint, choose green, and then paint the entire background. Save your image to some place on your computer, and we will be using that shortly. Open up the link for WebEx in the description for remove background. And once you've opened up the link, you'll be sent to this page. Click download. We're going to download the desktop app. Choose your operating system. In my case, it is Windows. After you've downloaded and installed the app, at some point you might have to put in an email address, but it is all free. You will then be sent, or then open up the app. Okay, once you've opened up the app, start a meeting. Once you've started the meeting, then change the background to and open up your green screen. Find your green screen, as you can see I've done. Then start the meeting. Now you can see the meeting has started. Now we're going to go back to OBS. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to plug your webcam into OBS. So to do that, you just, here's OBS. So go ahead and under your sources, we're going to capture the window of our webcam. So window capture, you can name that whatever you want. Under the window, go to WebX. Here you can see the window that we've made with the green screen behind it, which we're going to then apply a filter to later to remove the background. So here is the window, and now I'm going to crop it so that I can have just the part I want to see. So once you've got it big and it's more controlled, then press Alt, and that will allow you to crop. Okay, and once you've cropped, like so, okay, once you've cropped, then you can put it in the corner or however you want. Now we're going to apply a filter to that. So right click on the window capture and then add a filter. Add a chroma filter. Chroma is color. And here you can see we have a green screen, and you can adjust some of these values. For me, they are fine already, default. And boom, now it's filtered out the green. When I did this myself, I noticed that there was a white noise coming into the microphone. And I didn't like that. So you can apply a filter in OBX to the microphone. You can have either a threshold filter, where unless something's a certain volume or higher, it won't pick it up, or a noise suppression filter, which is what I'm using now and has worked for me. So you can see here the audio mixer. The desktop audio, this is input, so if I was playing a game and streaming or something like that, people could hear my game. And then you can see the mic, and you can see it's reacting to my voice here. So this is where we're going to apply our filter. Click on the settings, click filters, and add a noise suppression filter. And its defaults worked for me. You can change its thresholds and all that. Here's the threshold filter. It's the noise gate. You might want to try that as well if you're still having issues. So now you can show people anything you want on your desktop, record it, and they can see you and hear you at the same time. There's no annoying background behind your video feed. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm also going to show how to do video editing with freeware simply, as well as how to make animated characters in Blender, how to make music in FL Studio, how to make games with Unity, and plenty of other fun stuff. So stay tuned.